guides that we are running through today mainly cover the full range of Amazon Echo devices, both those with and without screens. You can use this guide to assist someone else to review their data settings, perhaps a family member or neighbour, either by completing this for them or by talking them through it over the phone. First, we will quickly cover how to change your wake word and what the light ring colours are and what they mean, before getting into deleting your recordings and child-proofing your device. Out of the box default, the wake word is Alexa, but you can change it to a choice between 4 different words if you want to have something different. The wake word is what you say to get the device to listen to you. If you open up your Alexa app, tap Devices down the bottom right corner, tap Echo and Alexa, and select the device that you want to set the wake word on. You can have different wake word on each one of your devices if you have multiple ones, which can sometimes help if you don't want to accidentally trigger another one whilst you're talking to one. So if you scroll down that list, you will see wake word, and there you have your 4 options: Alexa, Amazon, Echo and computer. Tap on the one that you want. I'll give you a warning that the update of the wake word will take a few minutes. Click OK and that's your wake word set. If there's no lights, the device is waiting for you. So it's just sitting, waiting to hear its wake word or for you to push the action button. The blue lights with spinning lighter blue lights show that the device is starting up after being powered on. The blue light with a light blue light pointing towards you when it can hear you is the device dealing with your request, and a flashing blue light with a light blue light is when the device is responding to you. Solid red light is when the microphone is muted or off. You simply need to push the button on top of the device and that unmutes the microphone. The orange spinning light is the device trying to connect to your wireless network, so the internet, and a spinning purple light is if the device has failed to connect to the wireless network. The white light comes up when you're adjusting the volume on your device. The spinning blue then turning to solid purple light shows that you have just enabled Do Not Disturb on your device. A flashing yellow light tells you that the device has a message or notification waiting for you, and a flashing green light shows that there is an incoming call or drop-in. From the home screen on the Alexa app, tap on the 3 lines in the bottom right corner to go into the menu, click on Settings and click on Alexa Privacy. Here you will see 4 main options: Review Voice History, Manage Smart Home Device History, Manage Skill Permissions and Manage Alexa Data. The 2 options that relate to voice recordings are Review Voice History and Manage Your Alexa Data. So if you click on Review Voice History, you will see on the next screen you can enable deletion by voice, which basically means if you turn that on, you can ask Alexa to delete your voice recordings. You can review everything that is recorded here. You can also view the recordings yesterday, everything this week, everything this month, or all history. Click on the 3 lines in the bottom right corner, go to Settings, scroll down and click on Music. You will see the music services you have attached. You can add them from here. You can set your default music service, and at the bottom the profanity filter. If you click on that, you'll see it tells you that any music service that has the ability to will filter out any inappropriate music from playing on your device. Simply just click on the slider switch and that's your profanity filter enabled.